Quality Solar has been now in operation for roughly 10 years, and I've lived in Darwin for well over 40 years. My installations are just around the Darwin region. The main thing for me and with Quality Solar is specialising in high end. You go the lower end, it might be cheaper, but the poor man pays twice.
I definitely believe, both as an engineer and as a consumer, that I'd rather spend that little bit more money, get the quality, get the workmanship, get materials that are Australian compliant.
It comes down to value for money. You might pay a little bit more at the top of it, but it works out cheaper.
If you do go straight ahead and buy a decent panel like LG, and you get your decent installer like Quality Solar, it will be cheaper. You are getting a better output into your grid, you're getting the backup and the customer service, and you are getting a far more superior install and product on your roof. And it's an investment at the end of the day, and it does add value to your home.
My main clients that I have around Darwin, the Darwin region, are the normal mums and dads that are looking for a good investment.
I'm laughing. I honestly am laughing about the output of the system. My bills are non-existent, to be honest, all right? And you know, you want to do that commercial on TV and point to the solar panels. I tell the wife and kids that all the time. It's a cliche, I suppose, but they are fantastic.
When it comes down to designing the system is what the people's needs are. One of the great advantages we have here in the Northern Territory, we have a 1-for-1 feed-in tariff.
37 kilowatts is above and beyond what I'm using. That's pure profit. And as Darwin sells and buys their power at 1-for-1, they sell it for about 24 cents a kilowatt, and they're buying mine for 24 cents, the same price.
Dollars in my pocket. I used to average bills of $1,500 to $2,000, depending what time of year it was. I'm going to have this thing paid off in 2.5, 3 years, I reckon. And with a 25-year warranty, I still got 22 years of carefree, that knowing that I don't have to pay a bill.
Everything kept coming back that the best installer in Darwin was Bill and the best quality product was LG.
By sticking with the local installers, it's a great peace of mind. You're knowing who you're dealing with. There's a great reputation. Reputation is everything here in the Northern Territory.
A lot of customers that come over to Quality Solar is because they're looking for a good warranty, good backup. Most importantly is dealing with the local person. Clients that I get are word of mouth. So they've been referred to me because I've done a job for a neighbour or a relative or 5, 6 people out of one family, because they just see what savings they're getting on their power bills.
I've recommended Bill Quality Solar to a lot of people, and Bill's actually gone and done my sister's place, and they were happy with his work, and he's gone and quoted other people I've known, and look, I can't give him enough of a rap in regards to the work he does.
Outsourcing to non-local installers, there's a great risk that they could just close the door at any time and walk away with your money, and goes the warranty.
You don't just want to get any old installer, especially ones that don't have the backup and aren't local.
If you want the best, go with the best. Quality Solar, that's what we do. Honestly, there's no point in mucking around. You might have to pay a little bit more, and what you pay extra is minimal for what you get in return. You're guaranteed to have a system that's going to run for years and years and years.
By putting the top-end LG system on, you're saving yourself money. You're also saving the environment because it's less landfill. And at the end of the day, you're getting a far better return on your investment. The return on your investment is roughly 3.5 years.
If you get an LG product, you make more power. The warranty's 25 years across the board, parts and labour. These are the panels. LG's the best. Honestly, that's it as far as I'm concerned.
Just by putting the top end of the solar, the LG on, gives me a good peace of mind that the customer's got good value for money at the end of the day.
An LG partner has to have good design services, good advice, good customer service, uses excellent equipment, in the long run gives long-term warranty support and is responsive to customers' inquiries. We're a big brand. We cannot afford people carrying our brand who do not do the right thing by the customer. So we only choose the very best.